Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing a quick video on the Mini Clubman, which is my project car, and today we're going to be having a look at this. So there you can see, when I put it in reverse, the parking sensors are unavailable. So we're going to have a look and see if we can try and fix it. Right, so I've connected my scanner, just done a scan for the codes, and these are the three codes that come up. So you can see the rear left sensor and the rear center left. So there could be two sensors gone, or it could be the wiring between the two. So what we're going to do is just clear the codes and then reread them just to make sure they're valid. Now it says no fault codes detected, obviously. So what I'm going to do now is just put it in reverse and then read the codes again. So I got a beep then when I put it in reverse. I don't know if you heard that. And I've still got the exclamation mark saying parking sensors is unavailable. So read codes again, and now we just have the two rear left and rear center left. So we could have two DUF sensors. So to verify that, I'm just going to try and see if I can hear any clicking from each of the sensors. So let's go and do that now. Right, so I've got this stethoscope and we're going to go and see if we can hear the parking sensors. Not sure if you'll be able to pick it up, but let's have a go. The middle one, middle right. Middle left. Nothing. Left. Nothing. So that's pretty clear that there's no sound coming from the center left and the left parking sensor. So I have one. So I'm going to replace one and see if that fixes it. If it does, I'll have to order another one. Or it could be a wiring fault between the two. So I'll replace that and report back. Here's the new parking sensor. Just a 3-pin, and by the look of it, just with these lugs here, there's one either side, one there, and one there. It literally just pushes in. So let's go and push the old one out, plug this one in and see if it solves the issue, at least for this sensor. So there's the offending article. I'll do this with one hand. I'll come back to you in a minute. So I've got the old one out. If you put your hand up behind the bumper, you'll feel a little tab. You pull it, and then that will release it, and it'll fall down. Disconnect the connector, and then I can pull it off. There it is. So, just put the new one on. Just literally clip the connector on. Alright, and it goes on one way, then just push it back into the car. Right, so I just plugged the diagnostic tool in, can read the codes. There's no codes, so I've just cleared them after fitting the new one. So I'm going to go into reverse. Oh, parking sensors are working, and then they go faulty. So there's a bit more of an improvement. So let's have a look at the codes. So read codes, and we can see The only code we have now is the rear left sensor, which, as I said to you, was faulty, so I need to get a new one of them. But there you go. So at least we've cured one. We just need to get a new sensor for this one, and then we're good to go. Right, finally I've received a new parking sensor, so I've just placed it in, loosely hanging down on the rear bumper. Let's see if it actually works. I've just cleared the codes. Pop it in reverse. And it's still the same. It's going well here. I've just fitted a genuine parking sensor. I've had two Chinese rubbish now and they both failed, although one did work. So I'm on my third one of this particular one. So I've just cleared the faults. So I'm going to put it in reverse. Hope you can hear that. We have parking sensors. If I just do recodes, no codes. So there you go, don't buy cheap Chinese parking sensors. I just bought a second-hand one off eBay and it worked. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and think about subscribing if you haven't done already. See you on the next one.